So in this video you will learn how to make money online. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Okay, I teach people how to make money online and profitably, right? So if you want to make money online, I can show you here how to click on ads and get paid. Okay, so we just get started, right? So when you click the link in the description of this video, you'll be brought to this website, and make sure you click on publisher sign up. Okay, yeah, this does not belong to you, so you click on publisher sign up, right? So we proceed. So the registration is very simple. So if you're here, you put your name, okay, your first name, and you put your last name. Okay, so you choose your date of birth. Okay, so you put your date of birth and you put your home address, okay, your city, wherever you are living. So you can select your country from this drop down, okay, and you put your country zip code. Search on Google to know your country zip code. Okay, so you put your phone number, okay, and you can repeat that and put that here, right? So when you scroll down, you put your email address. Okay, make sure you put a valid email address and you replace it here again. So make sure you put your password that you'll be able to remember. Okay, so you repeat the same password here. And for security questions, make sure you click on this place. Okay, so you choose your security question and make sure you put your answer below. All right, so when you are done with this part, and next you are going to do is you also click on this place. You tell them how you found them. You tell them you found them from Google search. Okay, so like I told you, when you click on the link in the description of this video, you will see a referral link that is reflecting on this part. Okay, so you do not touch it. If the referral link is not reflecting there, also check the description of this video to copy the referral link and paste it here. Okay, paste the referral link here. All right, so you're able to continue with this part. So once you are done putting the referral link, make sure you put on this verification code, right? You type this code here, you type this code and put it below, right? So when you are done, you click on I have confirmed, I have read, and you click on sign up. Okay, so guys, when you have signed up and you want to make money clicking ads from this website, if you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. I will put up more video and more useful content for you so you make more money online. Okay, and so guys, let's get into this video. So when you have signed up and you want to log in, after confirming your email address, you'll be prompted to log in. Okay, so when you log in, for this purpose I will log in with mine, so you see how it works, right? So I have been making money with this platform previously, so I'll put the code 8958, right? So I'll click on sign in. You just wait for this to load. Okay, so I made $18 yesterday for clicking ads, right? So you can also do that if you are serious with this. And yeah, it's just a kind of your dashboard, because you're on silver package, you'll be given a little ads to click. Okay, so if you come here, you will see that you have 5 ads to click for today. Okay, so because you're in free package, and meanwhile make sure you also verify your email address, your phone number. Okay, so when you click on there, click on SMS, so you'll be able to verify your phone number. Okay, since I have verified mine, so you can see I'll be able to withdraw my earnings. Okay, so make sure you verify your email address and also verify your phone number. Okay, so I'll click on this ad. So let me show you how to click on ads and get paid, right? So you click on PPC ads. Okay, so when you click on these ads, you don't need to spend much time. Okay, you don't need to spend much time on them, so you just tap on the ads, just tap there. Okay, I'm just showing you this so you know how it works. You just tap on the ads, allow the page to open. So once the page loads, you go back, you tap on the second one. You will notice that the previous ads have already gone out, which means you have earned for that click. Okay, so you go back again. So you notice that we are now having 3 ads. Okay, so we are now having 3 ads. So I will click on another ad. Okay, so I will just go back. Just press your back button from your phone. So we now have 2 ads. Okay, so I will click another ad. So you can just go back after clicking on these ads. You don't need to allow them to load. So we now have 1 ads remaining, right? We have 1 ads remaining. So I'll click there again. So it doesn't mean if the website the publishers put were not loading, that is none of your business. But what we are showing you here is how to click on ads and get paid. Okay, so our ads have now been completed for today. Okay, so if you want to earn more money from this platform, I believe you can see what it says. You have finished the ads available for silver membership. Come back tomorrow, upgrade your membership to click more ads today. Okay, so gold membership estimate earning for today is $3, right? So you can earn $3.50 for today, right? You can earn $3.50 for today. So if you want to go for higher, more upgrade for the platinum membership estimate, so you will earn $5.25 for today. Okay, so I will advise you or recommend that you upgrade if you want to earn more money in this platform. Okay, it doesn't cost a thing, it's just for you to upgrade and you start earning massively in this platform, just like as I am earning. Okay, so if you want to upgrade, you just click on upgrade. Okay, so you'll be able to make your payment very easily, right? So you choose the one you want to pay for. Okay, so if you want to go for the gold, which means you'll be paying $19.95. Okay, so if you want to pay for the platinum, you'll be paying $49. Okay, so your earnings are much more higher than those who are on free package. Okay, so remember all the steps. Okay, remember all the steps. If you want to click ads, you click on the PPC ads, verify your phone number. Okay, so if you want to upgrade, click on upgrade, right? So if you have a website and you want to put your HTML code, this is where you have to click. Okay, so you copy the code and paste it in your website. So whichever person that clicks on your website, okay, whichever person that clicks on your website will give you $5. Okay, so that is how it is. So I will just go back. Okay, so I'll just go back to the dashboard and show you your earnings, right? So this is where it is. So if you are able to put your code in your website, you'll be earning $3 for a click. Okay, this is just simple, and that is, it is profitable. You can do this, right? So you can do this. Okay, so if you want to cash out your earning, you click on payouts. Okay, so you click on payouts. Okay, so you choose your payment method on this part. Okay, so it's very simple as that. You choose your PayPal, Bitcoin, bank transfer, Western Union. So whichever one you want to use to make your money and receive your money, you can do that. Okay, you can do that. Okay, just choose any, tap any you want, and you'll be good with that. So the minimum payout is $50, which is easy for you to get once you upgrade. Okay, once you upgrade, you earn more, even more than what you have paid for, and you will continue to earn. And please guys, if you're enjoying this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends, help someone to make money online today. Okay, so you comment below if you have questions, and please guys, I'll see you in my next video.